Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Opel Astra H. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with a Bluetooth module. Then, turn on your car's ignition and activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Next, navigate to the main menu of your car's infotainment system. This is the crucial first step to initiating the connection process, setting everything up for a smooth pairing experience. Once in the infotainment menu, look for the phone or Bluetooth option. Select it to proceed. You will then choose Add Device or search for devices from the options presented on your car's display. At this point, your mobile phone should detect and show the car's Bluetooth name, which is typically Opel or sometimes UHP. This indicates the car is ready to connect. Now, you will see a pairing request appear on both your phone and the car's display. It is important to confirm this request on both devices. The car's screen will then show a 4-digit or 6-digit PIN. Carefully enter this exact PIN into your mobile phone. Upon successful entry, the system will confirm the connection, enabling hands-free calls and audio streaming. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite music directly through your car's sound system. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves them. Also, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable and kept within a few feet of the vehicle for optimal connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.